Hi, my name is Christopher Finland. I'm a Senior Program Manager on the SQL Server Reporting Services team. Today, I'm delighted to be talking to you about monitoring your critical business metrics and trends at a glance with Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. In 2016, SQL Server Reporting Services has gained a number of great new capabilities and been given a fresh new look for our on-premise customers. In addition to the traditional paginated reports, which you've been able to do for many years, we've added brand new capabilities around mobile reports and key performance indicators, and we wrap this all up in a brand new web portal, which allows you to view both types of reports and indicators in a single location. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are a great way to get insights from your data, whether you're in the office or on the go. When I've been speaking to the customers in the past, I've been told that their CEOs would like to see KPIs while brushing their teeth. Well, now with SQL Server Reporting Services in 2016, they can do just that. You're able to gain these insights through rich interactive data visualizations and KPIs that you create easily through the portal. In addition, you can access these KPIs with all major mobile device form factors with online or offline support. You can view them on any major mobile platform and implement them on premises or in the cloud using Microsoft Azure. Now let's take a look at exactly how you can create and view these KPIs through the new modern web portal, and then how you can actually add them to your favorites so you can get all of them in a single location that's important to you. So let's take a look at the new modern web portal in SQL Server Reporting Services and the different items here. So you see we have a number of KPIs and mobile reports already created, in addition to some paginated reports. You can see how easy it is to tell from your KPIs whether your business is doing well or poorly, and what the different values are accordingly. Now let's create a brand new KPI that we want to add to the portal. I simply go to New, then KPI. And you'll see it gives me a preview of a sample KPI where I can now enter the title and description for my KPI. So I'm going to name this Sales versus Previous Year. A short description. The format for the value, which I will put as abbreviated. For each of the values here, I can either set them manually, or I can grab the information from a data set, or perhaps I'm not using that particular item in this KPI. For my initial value, I'll choose the dataset field from a shared data set I have saved on my report server. So if I go to my datasets folder, choose total sales, grab my value, and hit OK, you'll see that my number is updated accordingly to the abbreviated value. I do want to set a goal value against another dataset field, which I'll choose the same way. And previous year. You'll see it automatically calculates the difference between the two and shows that I have a 53% growth in my year-over-year sales. Now I want to set a status, which I can also set manually or against the dataset field. So again, I can grab from a shared dataset. Status fields are represented in my database with a 1, 0, or -1. So here it already knows that I have a positive trend. And then I can choose actually a trend set where I can show which way my sales are trending versus over the different months. So if I choose the ellipsis again, choose my data set, and then I have my sales trend, you'll see I can actually choose a column of values, and then I can choose the visualization accordingly. And there I have it. My KPI is done. So I save it by hitting Create. And you'll see that it now shows in the portal accordingly. Now, because this is a KPI that's very important to me, and I'm going to be looking at it on a daily basis, I'm going to add it to my favorites. So if I choose the ellipsis and hit Add to Favorites, and then switch to my Favorites tab, you'll see that I now have a KPI saved there to my favorites. Hopefully that gave you a great idea of how exactly you can create and view those KPIs in the brand new modern web portal and reporting services. I encourage you all to go try reporting services today, and here's a number of details on exactly where you can go get additional information and download the trial bits today. So thanks very much for your time today. I can't wait for you to try the new KPI functionality in reporting services.